How to buy Waves crypto coin on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Waves on Binance crypto website. So first thing we do, we go to Binance website. As you can see, this is the home page. Now you have to log into your account, and after you log in, go to markets here in the top. Click on it like this, and then go down and search for Waves here. If you didn't find it, search for it here and then click on it like this, and wait a few seconds. It will take you to these trading pages, and now choose the waves that you want to buy. For example, 2 or 50 or whatever you want to buy, and invest, and make sure it's on buy here, not sell. Then you will find the buy option here if you are logged into your account, and click on it, and everything will be done in easy fast way. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.